morning, everybody. Welcome to another beautiful day in Georgetown, Canada. You know, some days you wake up in the morning and you have this feeling that you're excited, you're enthusiastic, and you're going to win the world. And then you come outside, you look into your vehicle, and then you see this. What is that? Really. And then this big ass bolt looking at me and like, what's up, son? Like, I have enough of stuff to deal with. Well, in this video I will show you how to fix this. Super easy, anybody can do it, and it's also very inexpensive. You don't have to wait a couple of hours for your roadside assistance to show up. If this is your first time in my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. I do a lot of DIY videos where I show you little hacks on how to take care of your vehicles, and also I make a lot of buying guides. I have a couple of old Nissans that I make a lot of financial bad decisions, so stay tuned. I went to my local Canadian Tire and I bought this tubeless tire repair kit. It comes with 2 tools and some glued rubber sticks. So the way you take care of this business is, first you're gonna have to take the nail off and then punch this with that hole. Basically what you're trying to do is clean up the hole and make some prepare the surface for the glue to go in. And then you're gonna take one of these strips, put it in between, poke it in, and come out halfway. And so what's gonna happen is some of this will stick out, and you're just gonna use a scissor to cut it off. That's it. This kit was $8.99, so $9 plus taxes, about $10. So the first thing you need to do is inflate the tires. You can practically use anything, even if you have a portable inflator that runs in your car cigarette lighter, that's fine too, as long as it inflates the tire. That's it. $10 of tools and 10 minutes in your driveway, you're good to go. You don't have to wait for the expensive tows or expensive tire repairs, and it's super easy. Once again, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to stay up to date with all the little DIYs coming into this channel.